Think flex grow sets width. Think again. It's all about distributing leftover space. Flex grow controls how much a flex item grows relative to its siblings when extra space is available. It's not about setting absolute sizes. Instead, it determines each item's share of the remaining space in the flex container. By default, all flex items have flex grow 0, meaning they won't grow beyond their content size. The flex grow property accepts a unitless number that acts as a proportion. 0 is the default, which means no growth. A value of 1 means the item can grow to fill available space. Any positive number works, and these numbers are compared across siblings to determine distribution ratios. Here's the key. Flex grow only applies when there's remaining space in the flex container. If the items already fill the container, or if they overflow, flex grow has no effect. The container must have leftover space after all items are sized according to their flex basis or content. Let's see proportional distribution in action. If one item has flex grow 2 and another has flex grow 1, the first item gets twice as much extra space. The extra space is divided into 3 parts. 2 parts go to the first item. 1 part goes to the second. It's a ratio, not a fixed measurement. Remember, flex grow determines how flex items grow proportionally to fill available space. Practice this on your next layout and you'll master Flexbox sizing. Keep coding. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.